So this is the new Shido battery which is come for the Versys. I bought it from Bike and Biker. Apparently it has got 3 years warranty. No, very lightweight. If you see the previous video, the battery was, it was very difficult to pick up with a single hand, but this is I'll open it. Okay. I'll open it and then show you. So this is the battery. Must be weighing around, I don't know, 300-400 grams, but nothing. Okay, few nuts and spacers. I think this is also a spacer, since this battery is considerably small than the earlier one. And the literature and warranty card and all. So this is what it is, guys. See you.